back to another episode of Chat Online Maths. Today we're going to look at decimal fractions. And the decimal fractions, we're going to look at approximations. Now, when we talk of approximations, we're talking about writing numbers or figures in exact values. Good. Now, under approximations, we're going to look at decimal places, significant figures, rounding numbers to nearest 10, 100, thousands, and so on. We're also looking at rounding numbers in thousands, tens, hundreds, and so on. So today we are going to look at decimal place. Decimal place. Now, when we talk about decimal place, we are talking about digits or numbers after the decimal point. So take note. So if I write 3.6523, my first decimal place is the 6. My second decimal place is the 5. My third decimal place is the 2. And my fourth decimal place is the 3. So this is my first DP. This is my second DP. This is my third DP. And this is my fourth DP in order. So that's decimal places. Good. So let's try an example. They will ask you run 4.3786 to I, 1 decimal place, I, 2 decimal places, I, 3 decimal places. Now, so let's learn how to round numbers to the nearest, to the 1 decimal place. Now, the first thing to consider is identify your 1 decimal place. Now, my first decimal place is a 3. After identifying your first decimal place, look at the next number after the first decimal place. Now, that number is it running up number or running down number? When we talk of running up number, we're talking about from 5 to 9. Okay? And then running down numbers from 0 to 4. So check whether the number after the first decimal place is from 5 to 9 or 0 to 4. Now, if it is from 5 to 9, what you have to do is add 1 to the first decimal place number. So I'm going to have 4.4 as my 1 decimal place. Why 4 here? Because after my first decimal place, the next number is 7. And 7 is more than 5. So I have to add 1 to the 3 to get 4. Okay, getting it? Good. So that's why I had 4.4. So 4.4 is my first decimal place. Now let's go to the second decimal places. So second decimal places, go and identify your second decimal place. Now, this is my first DP. This is my second DP. Look at the next number. The next number. If the next number is more than 5, okay, if it's 5 and more, you add 1 to the 7. And look at 8. 8 is more than 5. So I'll add 1 to the 7 to become 8. So I'm going to have 4.38. 37 is my second decimal place. Look at the next number. The next number is 8. So add 1 to the 8 to the 7 to become 8. That's why I had 4.38. Good. Now, let me change here to 4. Now, let's go to the third decimal place. Now, my third decimal place this is my first decimal place, second decimal place, third decimal place. Now the third decimal place, look at the next number. This is my third decimal place. Look at the next number. The next number is less than 5. Because it is less than 5, I will not add anything to the 8. Take note. Because the number after the 8 is less than 5, I will not add any 1 to the 8. So my third decimal place will be 4.378. You see, I wrote the 8. I didn't add any 1 to the 8 to become 9. No. You will only add 1 to the number if it is from 5 to 9. So take note. Are you getting it? Good. So let's take the second example. We have run 34.5289 to I 1 decimal place, I 2 decimal places, I 3 decimal places. Now, what's your first DP or first decimal place? Good. Good. You've done all. That's good. It's 5. My first decimal place is 5. Now, look at the next number. The next number, is it up to 5 upwards? It is 2. Because it is 2, it is less than 5. So I will not add anything to the 5. So my first decimal place will be 34.5. You're getting it? Good. Let's do the second example. The second example says that I should find 2 decimal places. And my 2 decimal places, 5 is my first, 2 is the second. So second. Look at the next number. The next number is more than 5. Because it is more than 5, I will add 1 to the 2 to become 3. So I'm going to have 34.53. Why 3? Because after my second decimal places, the next number is more than 5. So I'll add 1 to the 2 to get 3. Take note. Then the last one you're going to have first decimal place, second decimal place, third decimal place. So because the third decimal place, the number after the third decimal place is 9, I'll add 1 to the 8 to become 9. So I'm going to have 34.529 as my third decimal places. So this is how you're going to run numbers to 1 decimal place, 2 decimal places, and so on. So if you have any question, try and ask. I will answer you. Please follow JAT Online Maths in order to build your confidence in mathematics. Please. I've been telling you, mathematics is all about the foundation. Keep on subscribing. Keep on sharing. Keep on giving your comment. I wish you all the best.